Okay, so today I'm going to teach you various techniques in knife painting. Okay, easiest way how to use the knife in your painting. It is not a rocket science, it's all about practice. I have just taken acrylic color over here, a blue color and an orange color, to show you the different style of strokes that you are going to get with different shape of the knife. These are called palette knife. Instead of plastic, you can also use a butter paper if you want. So let's start with it. I have taken a simple paper and this is the palette knife I am taking. Okay, this is little short one in length and it is having a oval plain roundity over here. So if I take a blue color, okay, nicely I am mixing it in my palette knife. Okay, you have to take the color nicely. See, it is not कि आपने इसको ऐसे mix किया. You are mixing it and you are just taking like this. There is not much color, so don't push the color over here. Take it nicely in your knife. Okay, and now see the patch. This is the kind of patch, a round patch we are going to get if you are using this. Now when the color is less, if I want to this I have created with a equal pressure like this. If I change the angle like this, okay, are you getting this? Try to understand the difference. It is like this, plain I have utilized, so I am getting like this. Okay, like this stroke. If I take the same color again in the knife and I don't put it plain, I put it in the angle, then what will happen? Let's see. See difference. Can you see? Here it was plain like a rectangular way it was. Now it has becoming very conical over here. If I take it in the angle like this. Fine. So and also it is necessary that after every stroke, if I want to change the color, I have to wash or maybe clean my knife properly with any rough cloth. So I am cleaning it properly. So with the same knife, if I want to create something, okay, I can create something very useful, like see. Can you see? This is the plane हमने ऐसा लिया है तो कैसा होता है? And if I am rotating it nicely to get different shape, it can actually form a beautiful flower. Can you see? Are you understanding the difference? With the same knife, this is the formation of a shape and this is a simple how it is going to look. If I put less pressure with an angle, if I put plain like this knife. So I hope you are getting an idea about this knife. Fine. Okay. After we have done with the use of this knife, I am taking the smallest one. If you take a set of knife, this is set of knife. This is the smallest knife. This is actually used to give small strokes or small detailings to whatever we create from the big stroke. For example, I have created here the flower, okay, with the big stroke, with this knife. Now if I want to give it more strokes, realistic strokes, I can do it in this way. To add some few strokes, I can add it over here. You have to take colors nicely on the knife to get the desired effect. Can you see? Initially it was looking something incomplete in the middle. With this I can add the fine lines. You can also add it in this way. Now I am taking it in the angle. I am not taking it plain like this. While doing the part in the middle, I holded it in this way. Now I have hold it in this way. थोड़ा सा इसकी जगह मैंने ऐसे एंगल की है, like this. If you want, you can also give it as a outline over here from the same knife. I'll just take some color. So can you see how it became now 3D, looking like a proper flower? So here in between I use the knife in this way, plain, straight, giving it a very less pressure. And here for doing the outline I just hold it not like this, okay, not in this way, but holding it in this way. From here like this to an angle like this. So only my this portion is getting touch to the paper. Try to understand. Okay, this is basically used for giving detailing. For example, if I want to create a bush, I'll take a green color. If I want to create a bush, I can create bush like this. Or create a grass also with this. Randomly I am giving strokes. I am not. Can you see? It is looking like a grass or a bush. Or you can also give it a thing like this. You can also use it. For example, I'll take little yellow to give you a more proper understanding. I have taken yellow. Can you see? Yellow and green. With knife only I am mixing yellow and green to get light green over here. So no need of using brush. There is no requirement. Nicely you have to mix it with the same this palette knife only I am using. Okay. Hope you understood how to mix the color also.
Yes, ma'am.
And now see. Now this is a grass kind of a thing. If I want to give it some other effect. Okay. If I want to give it some other effect. Have a look. First I'll take normal dark green, okay? Normal dark green. Dot, 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 big dots, uneven dots will come, okay? Now if I take the light green, okay? Now I'm taking light green. Can you see the dark green over here, the light green coming over here? Can you see, feel the difference?
Yes.
I'll just require some few more. So I'll just mix it again. थोड़ा और अच्छे से mix कर. I'll mix it.
Ma'am, can you show the grass again?
Yeah, I'll show it. I'll show it. See, I'm mixing it again because I would require the lighter tone a little bit more. So I mixed it and I got my tones accordingly. And see, I will be taking this and making the light effect over here. I'm just using the tip of this side diligently. I'm not using the complete. If I take complete brush, complete knife, see, you will get a patch like this. Can you see? If I use the complete knife, see the type of patch that I get. You can use this patch also for doing grass, bigger grass. If your working space is very big, then automatically your grass size will be this much big. How much big you are using actually in that way, then you can utilize the entire, complete palette. So as for the working area, you have to use it very diligently. So can you see a bush kind of a thing? Dark green is there, light green is there, yellowish also there. So once this get dry, uske baad after this, when you have to wait, when you are using in knife na, painting knife, when you are using and creating a painting, after each and every layer you have to wait so that layer get drier. Then you can put the other layer. And if you want to merge this with the other layer, then when the color is not completely dry, you have to keep on working. So this is the difference. I don't know to merge it, so I'm just taking some time so that it get dried up over here. So now I'm stopping and you all can start doing.